Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Easy CPA offers, PLR, which launched on the 11th of August at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this great new private label rights release from Jason Oikel, which shows you how easy it is to profit from CPA networks, that's cost per action networks, by making use of the new smart links, all without having to be a paid traffic pro. Now, if you don't know what cost per action is, or you don't know what private label rights are, then don't worry, I'm going to explain all of that. But if this sounds like it's something of interest, then please listen on to this review video. I'm also going to go through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Easy CPA offers from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 custom bonuses that I've put together, and you can pick them up by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point I'm afraid they will expire. Now, as usual, folks, I don't want that to happen because they are custom bonuses, which means that they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Easy CPA offers, because remember, you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a little bit special. So what is this product all about? Well, with this brand new 8-part video course with private label rights, you'll finally learn how easy it is to profit from CPA networks. This 8-part video training course was designed for you to watch over the shoulder and see how you can build a business around CPA networks, even if you're a complete newbie. And the sales video is here. It's also on my bonus page. Let's have a little listen to the start of it.
So what if you could make money without selling anything? All you have to do is get a lead or a visitor to take action, whether it be filling out a form or signing up on a list or a push notification or taking a specific action.
Okay, so for those of you that don't know what cost per action is, it is a very good form of internet marketing for brand newbies because you do not have to sell anything to make money. So as the title suggests, cost per action, it means that you actually get rewarded with cash for getting prospects to do something, and it could be something as simple as filling out a form or giving an email address or their name or a telephone number, or, you know, watching a video. There's all sorts of things that are involved, but a lot of people can make a lot of money from this. And also for people that are a little bit, that find selling difficult, or that get put off by the idea of having to sell something to make money, well, cost per action is a really good way for newbies to succeed. And really, it's one of the 3 main strands, I suppose, of internet marketing out there, with like affiliate marketing, with e-commerce, and then cost per action. You know, often people have a portfolio of ways to make money that encompass all 3 of those areas. So if you've never actually used cost per action offers before and you'd like to get started, well, this is great for you. Now, if you do happen to know what that's all about and you're more interested in picking this up because of the private label rights attached to it, then that's also great. And the great thing about Jason Oikel's products is that they always include the videos on the front end. I think I've said to you before, a lot of the private label products, although they're very good, they normally include like a book version on the front end, and then they sell the video version of the course on the first upsell. Well, the good thing about having the video course up front is that, generally speaking, you can charge more for PLR that involves video training than you can for PLR that's in written format. It's just the way the world is at the moment. People really like video content. So because of that, that makes Jason's PLR products even better value for money. So just to clarify again, with private label rights products, it means that you can sell this on and keep 100% of the profit. You can sell it on as if it's your own product. You could retitle it if you wanted to. You could call it something different, like Making Money with CPA, or whatever other title you wanted to give it. You can claim authorship of it. You can give it away as a bonus with a paid offer if you don't want to sell it. You could use it as a powerful lead magnet. You could give this course away to attract hundreds of new subscribers to your list. You can do pretty much anything with it except selling on the resale rights again yourself. So we'll come back and have a look at what the actual course content is in a moment. Again, Jason doesn't go in for over elaborate sales pages, so this is all pretty straightforward. But first, let's have a look at those bonuses that I'm offering. So when you click on the link immediately underneath, you'll come through to this page, and this review will be in here. What is Easy CPA Offers all about? Well, it's an 8-part video series, completely unbranded white label videos that you can sell on as your own, a sales letter from a top copywriter, a complete mini site for you to sell the product on with graphics design, PSD source files for all images, and transcripts and MP3s of the videos. So everything you could possibly need. And there, as I said, is another opportunity to have a look at that sales video. So what am I going to include? So assuming that you're interested in this product for yourself to actually use the content, and even if you are going to use the private label rights, then I would still recommend doing the course yourself so that you learn about CPA offers if you're a beginner. So firstly, I'm including this beginner's masterclass in CPA, which is about an hour and a half long, and it will tell you all the basics that you need to know. As I said, you've got a brilliant course here already, but this will fill in a bit more information. And then if you want an advanced version of the course, then I've got an advanced training in a VIP training class for CPA offers. And I'm also going to include, for those of you that like stuff in a written format, obviously this is a video course. This from Saul Moraini and others. Saul is a brilliant South African marketer, really top affiliate marketer. I think you call him a super affiliate. And his version of this course is a CPA Income Crusher. I'm going to throw in this course, which also involves Saul Moraini and 2 other guys. This is Ultimate Traffic Mantra. This is the solution to get massive free traffic and monetizing it. And finally, for those that are buying this primarily for the private label rights, this is a 1.5-hour course on exactly how to make money with private label rights products. It will tell you all the do's and don'ts, things to avoid and things to get right so that you can hit the ground from day one and make lots of money back from this excellent private label rights course. And as I said, it's a very cheap front end, as you'll see in a minute, well under $10 for the front end. So what's included with these 8 videos? Well, first we've got an introduction to CPA. You'll learn how to get started in that version of internet marketing. Video 2 is the good and bad. It's reveal why this industry can sometimes get you a bad name and what CPA companies may or may not do to you. Video 3 builds on from that, and it's protecting yourself. As discussed previously, there are bad CPA networks, but there are also many good ones. So how can you know if you're driving leads for a good CPA network or not, meaning one that will pay you? Video 4 is increasing your approval rate, which is one of the main problems, like with affiliate marketing. One of the big problems with getting started in CPA networks, if you're a newbie, is getting approved to actually promote. To best understand how to get accepted into the top CPA networks, you need to understand what they're looking for and what they're not looking for. Video 5 is on the evolution of CPA, shows you the roadblocks when it comes to finding high converting offers. This video begins the journey to finding smart CPA offers that are easy to convert. Video 6, CPA networks that buy your traffic. Video 7, traffic sources. There are many different traffic sources you can use. It's easy to get lost in the sea of different paths. Some people recommend Facebook ads, but honestly, that's one of the hardest routes for CPA because you'll need complex funnels, and there are other traffic sources better than that, which will be discussed. And finally, video 8 on pop-up ads traffic source. To help you get started, we'll be using pop up ads. You can use other pop sources like Pop Cash, but the recommended resource for this particular course is pop ads. And in order for this to work, you'll need to have access to the CPA network with a smart CPA offer we discussed earlier. So as I said, with this course, you get unbranded white label rights videos. You get a professional sales letter, so you can set up your mini site in minutes and sell the package of videos. You get a mini site's graphic design and transcripts and MP3. So everything that you could possibly need to sell this product as your own. And again, here's just some of the examples of the things you can and can't do with the PLR. And all of this, folks, is just $7.97 at the moment, going up on a dime sale. So the quicker that you get it, the cheaper the price will be. But at the moment, just $7.97, and that is worth it in anybody's money. The upsells. There'll be advanced sales materials in the first upsell. Again, Jason, I don't have full details of the funnel, so you have to have a look at it. What I would recommend is his PLR Dealer Elite membership. So that means every month you get a new PLR offer. I think there's a $1 trial that you can try it for, and then it's $27 a month. Loads of people are in Jason's monthly membership scheme, and they get a new excellent piece of PLR every month, always a video course. And additionally, there are two offers that advise you on setting up and selling all the PLR stuff you buy. I think there's a done for you offer as well. So you'll have to have a look at those upsells as they come through. But the monthly trial, the monthly membership is one that I particularly recommend. So that is pretty much it, folks. If you want to pick up all of these extra additional custom bonuses, then just click on any of these green buttons, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Buy Now. That will take you through to your members area, your receipt area at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your easy CPA course, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that is it, folks. Always give Jason's PLR. It's always good quality. Always give it 4 marks out of 5 on our Elite Tigers Group rating. Because it's cheap front end price and it includes the video, so it's really high value as well. So with that said, all that remains is for me as ever to thank you for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Easy CPA Offers PLR.